Hello and welcome to this video tutorial from Pictured Media. In today's video, we're going to look at recording stereo sound with the mid-side method. We'll start with a sample mono recording of a handbell. And here's the same recording with the mid-side stereo method. To record mid-side stereo, you'll need a 2-channel audio recorder, a cardioid pattern microphone, a bi-directional pattern microphone, and an audio editing program to carry out a few simple steps. Point the cardioid pattern microphone directly at the source. This will be the mid-channel. Place the bi-directional microphone as close to the cardioid microphone as you can, with the pickup sides at 90 degrees from the source. This will be the side channel. Connect the cardioid microphone, the mid, to channel 1 on your recorder. Connect the bi-directional microphone, the side, to channel 2. Record your sound and follow the following steps in your audio editor. Bring the mid recording onto a mono track. Bring the side recording onto a stereo track. Pan the side channel hard left. Make a duplicate of this track. Pan the duplicate copy hard right. Now reverse the phase of this duplicate side channel track. And here's the recording. Here's the mono track for reference. And here's the mid-side stereo track again. Let's group the 2 side channel tracks together. Now you can change the width of the recording or its pan position by simply adjusting the volume control and the pan control of the side channel group. Mid-side is a great recording technique that's practical in smaller spaces. It gives you flexibility to move things around in post-production, and it's fully mono compatible. And that is mid-side stereo recording. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.